Hey guys, in today's tutorial we're going to create a simple Kawaii Watermelon Cake. Here I've got a 6-inch round cake covered and secured to a drum, links in the iCards for that. I did film the airbrushing of it but the footage is missing. Luckily I airbrushed the topper in the same way so I can show you how it's done here. To make this colour I used chroma pink with a little bit of red to help tone it. To get a graduated effect you just have to airbrush lighter as you move down, going over the top part to deepen it and leaving the bottom light. Now all cakes have a back, you always have one side that you prefer, so to keep track of it I use these sticky dots. Just peel one off and pop it to the front of the drum of your favourite angle. Cover the board in green, this is Renshaw's Lincoln Green pre-coloured sugar paste. As always the link to the board method is in the iCard above. For the name, I've just quickly drawn out some script on greaseproof paper, and you'll need 2 acupuncture needles. Pin this in place on the front of the cake. With the sharp end of the Dresden tool, carefully trace over the lettering. Try not to press on too hard as you don't want big grooves left behind. As you remove the paper, you can just see a faint outline. With some black paint, I like the Rainbow Dust Metallic Black, take a fine paintbrush and carefully follow the lines. I get the basic script in first and then I go back and make some of the strokes chunkier. Next paint on some little black watermelon seeds. You can also make these out of sugar paste if you like, just flatten some tiny teardrop shapes and stick them with water. For the topper, it's foam core again. I do love this stuff. You could make it from sugar if you like, but no one wants to eat the toughened sugar with Tylo added, so I find it no different to using the foam core. Most toppers are inedible, whether that's because they're plastic, foam core or toughened sugar / flour paste. Cover the front in white sugar paste and trim all around the sides. Place it onto an acrylic board or paper for airbrushing. You want the flat part of the shape to be more intense in colour, fading out as it gets to the curved bottom. Add a kebab stick up into the foam and trim it to size. With the same green, roll out a sausage and squash it into a strip. Curve the paste into a horseshoe and trim a flat edge with the scalpel. Add this strip to the circumference of the curve, tapping the cut edge to soften it a bit. Fold the green over the edges and trim off the excess. With the paint, add a curve for a smile and 2 more curves for smiley eyes. Don't forget those seeds. You can add little arms with sausages of green paste. Add the watermelon to the top and remove your round sticker from the drum before adding your ribbon of choice. That's it, all done. A simple, easy watermelon themed cake with a kawaii style topper. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.